What's up, my fellow adventurers? It's Daniel. I am going on a bike fishing expedition. So I've got my Marin Four Corners, got my camera gear on the back with my two-peak bag, car, and I am headed out to my favorite lake, 5 minutes from my house, Lake Pueblo, to catch some fish, hopefully. It's my first season out, first time out this season, and we'll see how it goes. I just brought a couple of pieces of tackle. I'm mostly just enjoying this fantastic weather because it's been sucking for the last week, and now it's super nice. So, I'll keep you up to speed on how the catching goes. Down the shoreline a little bit, but check this out. Somebody's been working on a shelter, or several somebodies. Scoundrels got the best of me today. I saw several largemouth, but they're just pretty lethargic. But what can you do? I only had about an hour, so you know, wasn't like an all-day affair, but it was still super worthwhile getting out. So I would encourage you to just make up little adventures, come up with something, execute it, and enjoy it, even if it doesn't go exactly how you hoped, because that's the whole fun of it. So I appreciate you adventuring with me today. If this inspired you to come up with something on your own, go in your own backyard or somebody else's backyard, and enjoy it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.